going on, everybody? Do you have a Freightliner truck? Maybe you want to change the steering wheel out to something a little bit more comfortable for you. Well, I have this FLD 120 I've been working on, and I want to put I think it's a SCI steering wheel on it. I bought the adapter to fit it on here, and then I went to change it. Of course, you know, you got to pop your center out. Usually, so I popped this out. Usually, the mounting nut is right underneath this. Now, I am going to have to turn this a little bit so that it's 100% straight. But, I just wanted to show everybody this. As you can see, there is no nut or anywhere to put a puller on this. And it took me forever to find a video or anything online about changing this out. There's a little plastic ring in here. Evidently mine's just gonna break, which is no big deal. But get you a pry tool, screwdriver, whatever. Didn't realize the ring thing was just gonna keep breaking off of it, but you gotta pull this out. This is just your horn, your stock in-town horn. Which, I don't know if this will come off one-handed or not. Okay, I couldn't get it off one-handed, so now it's off. Okay, that's out of the way. Now you can get to your mounting bolt and your there's two wires in here. One should be a ground. But now, let's see if I can get some light out of the way. You can kind of see the threads there on the top, but there's two holes for your puller. But I thought I'd just make a quick little video on these Freightliners, just because it took me so long to figure out how to do it. Maybe that'll make it easier for somebody else down the road. But there you go.